Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how to fix Google Maps not working on Android. So let's start our video. First thing you need to do is to go to the settings on your Android smartphone. This method will fix any problem that your Google Maps have. So you need to scroll down where you will find apps. Now you need to search for Google Maps. Once you find the maps, you need to open it. Then you need to scroll down where you will find storage. Here, all you need to do is to clear cache and then clear data as well. So once you do that, you need to go back and then you need to scroll a bit up here and then you will find the permission. So here you need to give permission. If they're required, you need to allow the permission. If you want to allow all of them, you can do that as well. And that will fix the Google Map problem. So guys, if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.